Welcome to this comprehensive guide on best practices for Fidelity Health Savings Accounts, or HSAs. An HSA is a tax-advantaged savings account that allows individuals with high deductible health plans to set aside money for medical expenses. To get the most out of your Fidelity HSA, start by understanding the benefits of an HSA, including triple tax advantages, investment opportunities, and flexibility in using the funds. First, contribute to your HSA regularly, taking advantage of the annual contribution limits. For example, in the current year, you can contribute up to a certain amount for individual plans and a higher amount for family plans. Next, invest your HSA funds wisely. Fidelity offers a range of investment options, including mutual funds, ETFs, and stocks. Consider your risk tolerance and investment goals when selecting investments. For instance, if you are conservative, you may choose a money market fund, while more aggressive investors may opt for stocks or ETFs. Another key aspect of managing your Fidelity HSA is keeping track of your expenses. Save your medical receipts and submit claims for reimbursement. You can also use the Fidelity HSA debit card to pay for qualified medical expenses directly. To maximize the benefits of your HSA, consider the following best practices. First, contribute enough to cover your annual deductible. This ensures you have sufficient funds set aside for unexpected medical expenses. Second, take advantage of the investment options to grow your HSA balance over time. Third, keep your HSA funds separate from other savings accounts to avoid commingling and potential tax implications. Finally, be aware of the rules and regulations surrounding HSAs, including eligibility requirements, contribution limits, and qualified medical expenses. By following these best practices and staying informed, you can optimize your Fidelity HSA and make the most of this valuable benefit. In conclusion, a Fidelity HSA can be a powerful tool for managing your healthcare expenses and building long-term savings. By understanding the benefits, contributing regularly, investing wisely, tracking expenses, and following best practices, you can make the most of your HSA and achieve your financial goals.